Greetings from the road trip of the future. This 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome is a unique work of art that redefines performance and elegance on the road. In 2026, we're looking at a statement piece rather than just a truck. Its unparalleled power is matched by its aggressive aerodynamic look, which has a redesigned Kenworth grille, angular adaptive LED headlamps, and body lines crafted for both efficiency and style. Beneath all of this opulence is a 15-liter Cummins X15 engine that can generate up to 605 horsepower and an incredible 2050 lb-ft of torque. The power is precisely provided when paired with an Eaton Fuller 12-speed automatic transmission, guaranteeing a strong and comfortable ride that is prepared to handle any terrain with elegance. Every stop is a spectacle of luxury because to its eye-catching design, which includes a two-tone metallic paint job, bespoke aluminum wheels, and an electronic slide-out function that gives the inside more depth while parked. The cockpit greets you upon entering and serves as both an ergonomic command center and a control space. Premium mastic leather and real wood accents adorn the dashboard of the 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome, which also features a completely adjustable digital instrument cluster that shows all pertinent data in high definition. The center of communication and navigation is a responsive dual touchscreen infotainment display that smoothly integrates with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 360-degree camera system is also included for seamless visibility. Every mile is made more comfortable by the leather-trimmed air seats for the driver and front passenger, which have heating, cooling, and massaging capabilities. You enter a large, opulent living area intended for entertainment and leisure from the cockpit. This section opens up into a large living room with an L-shaped, high-end leather sofa that doubles as a bed thanks to the motorized slide-out function. Electric blinds and large windows provide panoramic views, while multi-zone LED ambient lighting produces the ideal atmosphere at all times. A theater-quality surround sound system and a covert widescreen smart TV combine to provide an unparalleled mobile entertainment experience. There is peace and quiet in the main bedroom. With its plush king-size bed and premium orthopedic mattress, you can be sure to get a good night's sleep. A full-size wardrobe with mirrored doors, concealed storage drawers, and an integrated dressing table can be found here. A personal audio system and an extra flat-screen TV round out the five-star hotel's amenities, while large windows with blackout curtains guarantee perfect darkness for the best possible sleep. The 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome's washroom is a luxurious haven of practicality. The space is larger than you might anticipate for a motorhome and has a porcelain toilet with an effective flush mechanism, a granite sink with a designer faucet, and a glass-walled walk-in shower with a rain shower head and strong water pressure. No matter where you are, a huge mirror with built-in LED lighting and hotel-style storage cabinets complete the revitalizing shower experience. The kitchen of the 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome makes it possible to prepare exquisite meals while on the road. With its home-sized stainless steel appliances, such as a dishwasher, a 4-burner induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a refrigerator and freezer side by side, this space is a chef's paradise. While plenty of storage cupboards with soft-closed drawers keep all your goods and utensils neatly and securely stashed away, spacious quartz or granite counters provide enough of workspace. Kenworth T680 Motorhome 2026. It is more than a car, it is a way of life.